Going plant-based. Now, there are many people who are trying to go plant-based, which is fantastic. And some people get discouraged, or they may say, I am just not doing well, I'm weaker, I don't feel right. Now, plant-based dominant diet or plant-based diet is the healthiest, but if you don't know how to make your plate, how to fix that diet, then you may have problem. A lot of people may say that I'm going plant-based, but I don't think I'm getting enough protein. And I'll say yes, you can have enough protein in your diet. What is enough? Now, zero point 0.6 grams per kilogram of protein is all that you need per day. As you get older and you need more protein to build more muscles, then you may need 0.8 grams per kg. But just an average diet, healthy, middle-aged person, zero point 0.6 grams per kg. I'm not talking about an athlete. How do you get your protein if you're going plant-based? Now, let's listen. Legumes, peas, and beans, these are high in protein, especially soybeans. So if you include enough lentils, enough legumes, red beans, black beans, chickpeas in your diet, and then you add some whole grains, legumes plus whole grains give you complete quality protein. You could add your seeds and your nuts, and there you go. And also, all your vegetables also have some component of protein. So if you're going plant-based, don't be hesitant thinking that I will not have enough protein in my diet, because once you're able to combine your meals well, you'll be fine. Next is to get enough micro and macronutrients. Let's talk about micronutrients. Micronutrients, these are the trace nutrients that you need in your diet, your vitamins and your minerals. And if you, as they say, eat the rainbow, so ensure that your fruits and vegetables are different colors. Colors bring different nutrients to your plate. So ensure that you're having the greens and you're having the purples, you're having the reds, you're having the oranges, and all the colors. And I'm sure that you will end up with a healthy plant-based meal. Remember also that a handful of nuts a day is all you need. So ensure that you're getting a handful of nuts per day. You're getting 4 to 5 servings of fruits, 4 to 5 servings of vegetables. You're getting enough legumes and peas and beans and enough whole grains, and you're on your way to a successful plant-based life. Bye.